You are watching Global Auto Digest. Let's roll. Introducing on your screen, the Bugatti Motor Home 2025, a jaw-dropping fusion of hypercar performance and ultra-luxury living. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving palace with the soul of a Bugatti. Let's dive into what makes this a revolutionary machine on wheels. Bugatti has redefined the very concept of a mobile home. The Bugatti Motor Home 2025 combines the aerodynamic aggression of a hypercar with the class of a high-end yacht. From the outside, it's bold, sleek, and unmistakably Bugatti, with dynamic lines, signature LED patterns, and a carbon fiber body that reduces weight without compromising strength. Inside, the Bugatti Motor Home is more than just elegant, it's pure art. You are welcomed by Italian leather, polished walnut trims, brushed aluminum controls, and a panoramic skylight that stretches across the ceiling. Everything screams sophistication. It's not just about comfort, it's about a lifestyle statement. What powers this beast is equally impressive. The Bugatti Motor Home 2025 is equipped with a hybrid V8 engine paired with electric assist, delivering over 1000 horsepower. Yes, this luxury home on wheels can reach speeds few supercars can dream of while staying whisper quiet when gliding through cities in electric mode. Technology runs through its veins. With AI-assisted driving, fingerprint start, facial recognition entry, and adaptive suspension, the experience is futuristic. Multiple smart screens, holographic controls, and real-time traffic AI make driving and living inside a seamless experience. The layout inside offers everything from a master bedroom with a king-size memory foam bed, a private bathroom with a rainfall shower, to a fully equipped mini kitchen and lounge area. All climate-controlled, soundproofed, and operated via smart voice commands or touch-screen panels. Bugatti didn't forget entertainment either. The 2025 Motor Home comes with a full 360-degree Dolby Atmos sound system, retractable OLED TVs, and even a fold-out deck for outdoor lounges. Whether parked in the Alps or a beachside escape, this motorhome brings 5-star luxury anywhere. And then comes exclusivity. Bugatti plans to manufacture only 30 units of the Motor Home 2025 globally. Each unit is custom-built, with personalization options for interior colors, materials, and even tech upgrades. Starting price: a cool $5 million, and rising with customizations. So, what's the verdict? The Bugatti Motor Home 2025 isn't just transportation. It's a revolution in mobility, a showcase of performance, design, and high-end living merged into one futuristic masterpiece. For the lucky few, it's the future of luxury travel. Thanks for watching. Subscriber to Global Auto Digest. See you in the next video.